On December 25, 2025, officers responded to a call of a domestic dispute.
Hi, is everything okay here?
Yeah.
Someone called 911 from here, and there's two people fighting.
This is my house. I'm sick of this bullshit.
This is our third time here today.
I know. Let me go back in her fucking room and see what the fuck's going on. This is my house.
Who are you? What's your name?
I'm Ken.
T is the one causing the problem. She's pitting these two against each other.
I know.
Okay, can you have her out and then we'll take her wherever?
I'm fucking trying to get her the fuck out of my house. I don't like the bitch.
Okay, can you tell her to leave and then we will bring her somewhere? Otherwise, we're gonna be here all night.
Okay, hold on a minute.
Okay. Ronnie G35. I just spoke with the owner of 5 Arlington. I don't know his name yet. We're gonna see if we can get T removed from here. This is his house, so stand by. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Well, they just called us and said that there's two people fighting here.
Oh, no, because I was trying to get her to be quiet again. And she kept yelling at the cop on the phone. And I'm like, please be quiet. But no, we're not fighting.
Open that. I want to talk to him.
Ken.
Now you want to talk to him?
Stop. Would you stop fighting?
No,
with
these
these
bitches are
people?
stupid. What the f you
They're
want?
going to arrest you, T, and there's nothing I can do about it.
And there ain't no arrest they could get on me. So what the f
I have to talk to you.
dumbass?
Hey,
Oh, wow.
don't disrespect
That's
her.
been her all day.
Wow.
Do you want her here, yes or no?
Pause right here. This is a crucial legal moment. The officers are asking one very specific question. Do you want her to go? Why? Because in a private residence, the homeowner has the legal authority to revoke someone's permission to stay. Once that permission is withdrawn, that person can be lawfully removed, and if they refuse, it can escalate into trespassing. Notice how the officer keeps pressing for a clear yes. That's not random. They need verbal confirmation to act. Without it, they're stuck mediating drama all night. So when he finally says yes, that's the green light. The tone shifts from negotiation to enforcement. And now the clock is ticking.
You guys, if you guys keep coming here, no, I don't.
This is our third time here, so she needs to leave.
I don't want this, but
Our third time here, she needs to leave.
I'm in the middle. I don't care what goes on with her.
Hey, leave, dumbass. It's Tasha.
It's because you're talking to her like that.
They're always trying to attack me because they can't get drugs.
Away from me.
I will. Shut the fuck up, ho.
What is,
You don't piss me off.
I need your information.
Why don't you guys worry about stalking my girl's door in her window? You're
I
at
need
the
your
wrong
information.
house. She's banging on my bitch's door.
She needs to go, or we're gonna be here all night.
You call them. They don't help you.
Huh?
For nothing.
She needs to go. Tell us to remove her. Do you want her to go?
You see my face, right?
Yeah. Tell me. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. What is your first name? Tell me to remove her, and then I will. Cause she's here, right?
No, she don't.
Okay. We are going to be back here all night. I need to. So tell me to.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
You need to go. Do not fuck to me.
I ain't
Let's
doing
go.
nothing.
Get your shit. You're leaving. Come on.
Don't throw me.
Stuff. You're leaving.
I'm looking. Don't throw me. Don't throw me.
Your stuff. You're
I
leaving.
respect you.
Do not.
Oh my God, T!
I'm getting my clothes on. Relax.
Put your
Oh man,
hands on your back.
T!
Can I get my clothes on, hun?
Oh my God. T!
I'm trying to get my shirt on, babe.
T, sit up. Stop.
Stop!
Put your arms on your back. Do not make this harder than it has to be. Stop.
I'm not. Baby, you stepped on my toe.
T, stop.
What am I doing?
T.
Hey,
arm behind your
no,
back.
shut the listen. What do they got to do with me? You're stepping on my foot. What do they have to do with me, hon?
This is where things start turning from chaotic to criminal. Up until now, this could have remained a messy domestic dispute. But listen closely, the resistance, the arguing, the physical tension. When someone is being lawfully removed and begins physically resisting officers, that's when resisting arrest enters the picture. And here's something people often misunderstand. You don't have to punch an officer to be charged. Pulling away, refusing commands, escalating physically, that alone can qualify. The officers are repeatedly giving verbal instructions. Stop. Put your hands behind your back. Have a seat. Each ignored command builds the case. The emotional temperature is rising, and so are the potential charges.
You're aggressive.
Huh?
I'm secure. Thank you. Come on.
I'll beat your ass. Come on. Oh, let me get a shirt. Man, stop grabbing me. I need a jacket on.
We're gonna get her.
Can I put a jacket on before
Get
I
her
go?
personal items for her. Yes. Stand up. And we will get it.
Why am I getting arrested though? When this is over here arresting her door. How am I arrested, babe?
Does she have anything else here?
No.
That's it?
Anything?
Come on. Gee, stop! I'm telling you to stop!
I'm gonna put my shirt on.
Put it on right now. Your hands are behind your back.
I'm not gonna
You already went outside like you care. Here, bring that. Stop.
Come on, babe.
Stop grabbing me.
Hey, I don't want to grab your dog's ass no more. Trust me. But it's funny how we call. It's funny how we call.
Out. Out.
Why you gotta manhandle me? Babe, stop manhandling.
Stop.
I'll stop for it.
Walk.
I will come up for you. Stop manhandling me, bitch.
What else does she have here?
She says she lost her phone. Never came over here with anything.
She has no other personal belongings?
No, they're all over there. She couldn't even find her phone.
Can you look? Just so I don't have to go back here. Thank you.
Her car keys are here.
Is there car keys? Anything else?
Tasha's got her phone.
I have no
we
idea.
tried to call it.
I have no idea. Like I said, I'm not involved with this.
I understand.
Please, I'm not involved with this.
And
I just want to
don't
end.
want him throwing out
I
because
just want to
she's
end.
banging on my window all night, and then her mouth is going up.
I
Yep.
just want to end, okay?
Do you guys need anything from me?
Pardon me?
Do you guys need anything from me?
Thank you. You stopped it
No,
all right now.
please, I just want this to fucking end.
Yeah,
Thank
me
you,
too.
And I'm sorry you were so disrespected
Here's
tonight.
here's
so
the
am I.
thing. Very much so. But here's the thing. Okay, T is playing you both.
I know.
You
I know.
and your niece. Okay,
Yeah.
she's pitting you guys against each
I
other.
know.
No, and me.
I know.
She does not need to be here. She does this stuff all the time. You
Wait a minute,
understand?
officer, I'm being blamed for all of this bullshit. And I had nothing to do with it.
I understand, but here's the thing. Don't let her in this home because all she's
She's
gonna
not
do
coming back.
is cause issues for you guys. Okay?
She's not coming
She's
back.
a sweet talker. She'll try to. Okay?
She is.
All right.
Coming back. Thank you, hon.
Yep.
I didn't do You know I didn't do shit, dude.
Talk about a camera, okay?
Babe, stop grabbing me like that, please.
Like what?
Like, manhandling me. I'm next to you, honey. Why am I
Have a
going
seat.
to
Have a seat. Don't. Have a
Why am
seat.
I going to jail?
Have a seat. And I will talk to you in a second. Have a seat. Just get in the car.
Did you guys realize that the fight was between the... Hey! Why am I
Have a
going
seat.
to...
Have a seat. Don't. Have a
Why am I
seat.
going to jail?
Have a seat. And I will talk to you in a second. Have a seat. Just get in the car.
Did you catch that? You just headbutt me. That single allegation changes everything. If an officer is intentionally struck, especially with the head, that can qualify as battery on law enforcement. And in many jurisdictions, that's automatically elevated to aggravated battery due to the victim being an officer. Notice how the officers immediately shift tone. This isn't about calming her down anymore. This is now about officer safety and documenting a felony-level offense. Whether she intended it or not will matter later in court. But in the moment, perception and officer testimony carry serious weight. One movement can completely alter the legal consequences.
Did you guys realize that the fight was between you? Hey, stop! bitch. I'll get my shit.
Your legs
Stop. Look. Why is he in
Get back. Get away. Go away.
I'm not gonna snap. I'm not gonna snap. Right, hey.
Stop.
Why are you hitting me?
You just headbutt me? That's the answer?
But you're
Knock it off.
Why are you controlling me? I didn't do nothing, dude. That's between them two. Why am I locked up?
Back up. Get over there
Why
now.
am I locked up? Why?
Sit back.
Cause they ain't got nothing better to do.
Hold
But they
this for a
want
second.
drugs and they ain't got none. Haha. Fucking dumb. Hey, see you.
Hey, knock it off.
What's the reason I'm putting my ear fucking?
Turn your face this way. Stop trying to headbutt her.
I didn't.
Do you understand?
I do. Get off me.
Don't headbutt anybody anymore.
Tasha!
Stop.
Tasha!
Everybody stay back.
Tasha, look, Tasha!
We're gonna get her. Just get her in the car and just take her.
Stop.
All right.
Stop.
You're gonna record now. Oh, you're hurting me so bad.
Stop.
Listen, you're gonna stop right now.
What's your name?
You're gonna stop right now.
Get the me, bitch.
Up and just be an adult.
Get the
Understand?
you little pick on a man, you little pick on a man. You piece of shit. You ain't shit. You got my girl like her. Thank you. Yeah, you got my girl like her. Alright, and I bet you I'll be
I don't know where it
It's
went.
all over you. Here, put your. Oh, she's got blood on you, dude. Hang on. Let me get gloves on. That's blood. Don't touch it.
She spit on me. That's what.
Headbutted me.
And now the moment that seals it. Spitting on an officer. That's not just disrespectful. In the eyes of the law, bodily fluids can qualify as assault or battery. When the officer says she spit and there's blood involved, that escalates rapidly. Officers are trained to treat bodily fluid exposure as a serious health risk. You can hear the shift. Gloves go on, photos are taken, documentation begins immediately. That's evidence collection in real time. What started as a removal from a home has now stacked into aggravated battery and resisting arrest. And here's the hard truth. Once bodily contact like that is documented, it's incredibly difficult to walk those charges back.
Battery to 2 police officers. Go in the house.
Just want to get one for my face.
Oh. Your face.
Here, let me get it. I'll get it. It didn't get like in my mouth, just
Just
right here
on
my
your chin there.
Yeah,
Okay. And then the blood and like I don't know what the phlegm.
probably.
Ew. It's in your cord and shit, and it's in here. It's on your hoodie.
Did you get a picture already?
I did. I got a picture.
No. Battery on police officer. Should be spending Christmas in the jail.
Let's break this down. Officers responded to a domestic disturbance for the 3rd time that day. The homeowner legally revoked permission for her to remain in the house, giving officers authority to remove her. Instead of complying, she resisted. During that resistance, officers allege she headbutt and later spit on them. Actions that elevated the situation to aggravated battery on law enforcement and resisting arrest. On Christmas Day, no less. This case is a textbook example of escalation. A situation that could have ended with simply leaving the property instead resulted in felony charges. The key legal takeaways? Property rights matter. Compliance during lawful arrest matters even more. And physical contact with officers, intentional or not, can have life-altering consequences. Now we want to hear from you. At what point do you think this situation became irreversible? Should it have been handled differently? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.